Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Angular. Today we are going to learn about the add to cart functionality with the help of the signals. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that if I just refresh when I do the add to cart product, here you can see that product A is added to the cart items. Again, I will click on that one 200 total price is updated. When I add the product B with 150 product cart items are this one and the total price is this one. Here you can see that it updates the state whenever I do add to cart items. Okay, so the cart items it will show and the total price of the cart is showing, right? So let's take a look like how the implementation is. Okay, so here we go with this one. Then there's a functionality like remove the cart also. Let me add the remove cart also. Okay, I think there is a remove to cart. Okay, we can leave it right now or we can just add it. There is only one function I think we have to use. Okay, load the HTML and here we have this, right? Let's add the remove to cart function over there. Just remove this cart. Okay, so let's go to the component and just add the remove to cart. Okay, save this. Now you can see that we have a add product, add product and add product. Okay, then I'm going to remove it to 50, remove it 100. So this is, you can see cart items like this and the total price is still on here. Okay, so how we are going to implement this functionality with the help of the signals, let's have a look. Okay, so here we have the full-fledged code right now. So first of all we have to go with the interface. We have to create the interface like name and the price. Okay, we have to import the signals and the compute it from the Angular core. Now we have to import the forms and the common module because we are using the ng4 and the forms part, right? So please use in the import section. Okay, next we have to go with the cart items which hold the cart items, so it should be an array. So signal cart item because we are using the interface that is cart item which consists of the arrays. Okay, next compute the signal to calculate the total price. So in the computed we have to calculate the price total when the items into the cart is added, right? So the total price would be computed, return this dot cart items dot reduce. So here we are do calculating the part of the item price with the total we are adding. Okay, so the method to add the items to the cart, so name and the price would be added. So this dot cart items dot update, so signal update is used. If I'm going to remove it from the cart, again I need to update the items. So update the items, again I'm going to filter it. So whatever index we have I want to remove it, and here I want to just add the items what we have, okay, in the items one. Okay, so this is how the signal work. And in our app component .html, okay, so what we have two buttons, okay, with add to cart functionality, and then we have a cart items. So here we are looping the cart items, okay, and just add, print it with the help of the name, print it, name and the price. And we have a button with remove cart and we are showing the total price from coming from the calculation from the total price. Okay, so this is the very basic example and this is very neat and clear code with the help of the signals, right? If you want to go with another methods, I can also show that another methods. Then you can choose which one is best. If you want some, if you have some less complexity with the state changes, yes, you can use that signals. Okay, in the next coming videos we are going to do the comparisons why we should use signals or the default approach we have to use. Okay, so where to use the signals and all we are going to learn in the coming series. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.